I can make the pendulum do whatever I want it to do. And so I love it because it is energy directed, but my energy, my mind energy is directing it, and it will respond. I don't have an opinion on if the supplement is best for me or not. I just intuitively felt like this supplement was right, so I wanted to confirm it with my pendulum. Or I don't want this because of that. So I love pendulums, and I think they're great when you know what you're muscle testing and you have an opinion around it. Your mind is powerful, right? This is such a great tool because when you actually start to recognize how powerful your mind is, then you're not going to let bullshit stories in your mind because they're creating. They have the power to change the energy of this. Think about the power that they have to change the energy of everything else in your life.